Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. I'm sitting in the driver's seat of the 2026 Range Rover and I want to show you something very important. You'll notice that the seat controls are all right here on the door panel. You can change the position of the seat back, you can move the seat back and forth, you can raise it up and down. All that good stuff is here. You even have your seat memory settings. But you might wonder, why is there no lumbar support? Well, it's not that it isn't here, it's that it's just not where you may expect it to be. If you come right here and select right there, and then come up here and select the seat, we're going to come down here to where it says adjust. You have seat, heat, massage, adjust, and more. Make sure you're on adjust, and there is lumbar support. And you'll just use the arrows to adjust things as you need to increase or decrease. You can see what's happening on the screen depending on what you need to have done, what makes you comfortable, but that is how you handle lumbar support in your 2026 Range Rover. If you have any more questions about the Range Rover, let me know down in the comments section. If you have a tutorial you would like to request, let me know. I'll make that happen for you. Thanks for taking the time to watch. We'll see you next time.